did prime the carburetors. According to Randak, I have put 180 mils into the carbs, and I probably will open up the shelter and spritz a little bit of gas in there before I hit the ignition. So at first it wasn't turning over, and then I tightened up some wiring back here by the solenoid, and that seemed to take care of the starting system. But now, even with the spritz of gas in there, the choke fully out, I turn it over and I'm not getting any popping whatsoever, and a bit of an unusual sound. I'm gonna do it now so that you can hear it, and maybe somebody can tell me what I'm hearing. Don't know what that metal clanging sound is. It sounds like it's coming up high here by the carburetors. So by comparison, I've now taken out all the spark plugs, and I will crank it over without the spark plugs in, and you'll notice there's that clanking sound is not there. I also did a quick compression test, so this is completely cold, and interestingly, I got between 75 and 80, very uniform on all four. I'm okay with that for an engine that has been sitting for a very long time. The fact that they're all the same seems to me to be encouraging. But again, I'd like your feedback. So the mystery continues. I took the plugs out and turned it over, as you heard. Now I put the plugs back in and turned it over, and I'm not hearing that unusual sound. Let's try it. Interesting. Ideas?